We have some more breaking news coming in. Amid open rift in India bloc, Congress mounts attack on Arvind Kejriwal. Congress has slammed Arvind Kejriwal over Manmohan Singh comment. Alka Lamba has said apologize to Manmohan Singh's wife. She further says Kejriwal defamed Sheila Dikshit. Alka Lamba says apologize to Sonia Sandeep Dikshit. She says alliance with AAP our biggest mistake. Kejriwal made honest Prime Minister comment in an interview. Congress has said Kejriwal turned Delhi into hell. Let's listen to what Alka Lamba said.
इसे कहते हैं, एक कहावत सुनिए, ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे आ गया। ये वही ऊंट है जो पहाड़ के नीचे अब आ गया है। कांग्रेस के सामने आपने शीला जी को इतना बदनाम किया, मनमोहन सिंह जी इतना बदनाम किया, और आज एक इंटरव्यू में कहते हैं जेल में बैठा सोच रहा था सबसे ईमानदार प्रधानमंत्री कौन, डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह। माफी मांगिए गुरशरण कौर जी उनकी धर्मपत्नी के पांव में गिरकर, माफी मांगिए श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी से, माफी मांगिए केजरीवाल जी संदीप दीक्षित जी से, जिनकी मां का अपमान और दिल्ली की महिला मुख्यमंत्री रही, उनका अपमान आपने लगातार किया, और आज उसी पार्टी के सामने भीख मांग रहे थे आप गठबंधन के लिए। हमने नहीं किया था आपसे गठबंधन। जब अब इस लोकसभा की चुनाव आए, 7 सीटों पर गठबंधन करके आपको समर्थन देकर जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी भूल की कांग्रेस ने, ये दिल्ली के लोगों ने हमें समझाया।
Shreya Chatterjee is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Shreya, give us more clarity on what exactly Kejriwal said that has triggered this war of words between the Congress and AAP, which has prompted Congress to seek an apology, ask Kejriwal to seek an apology from Manmohan Singh's wife.
Well, precisely, what we're seeing, Chetna, is that a fight is also erupted between the old allies, that is the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress in the Delhi elections. We also saw that poster that was released by the Aam Aadmi Party where Rahul Gandhi figured, where there was an attack against all the opposition parties when it comes to Aam Aadmi Party. Responding to all these series of attacks, we are seeing Alka Lamba suggesting that Arvind Kejriwal actually belittled Sheila Dikshit when time was ripe for him to pick up his political career ahead, and now he's coming back to suggest that Sheila Dikshit is a dignified lady. So there's duality in his words, is what and why Congress is hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party chief. And apart from that, the another attack that we saw coming in from Alka Lamba was about the results that came in the Lok Sabha elections when all the 7 seats in the national capital went to the BJP, and now Alka Lamba is saying that it was a big mistake on the part of the Congress to go into an alliance, in fact, and that's the reason why they couldn't actually grasp any of the seats, because Aam Aadmi Party couldn't win against the BJP, and when it came to Lok Sabha, it was AAP who came for an alliance to the Congress. So this is an attack that is coming in from AAP, but clearly it's also a projection for a triangulated fight where we are mostly seeing BJP and Aam Aadmi Party take dominance. Congress somewhere is also trying to position themselves as a solid candidate so far as the Delhi election is concerned.
Absolutely, Shreya. As the Delhi poll dangle is heating up, Congress has hit out at Arvind Kejriwal, asking him to apologize to Manmohan Singh's wife.